Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best beauty and personal care products out there. Today, we're talking about the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Carb Infused Leave-In Treatment, the best bombshell volumizer for anyone struggling with thin, lifeless hair. If you're looking to transform your flat, limp strands into thicker, fuller hair, keep watching, because this product could be a game-changer for you. The Color Wow Dream Cocktail is an incredible leave-in treatment designed to tackle fine, flat, and color-treated hair. What sets it apart from other volumizing products is its unique formula that uses a potent carb-based mesh to bond to your hair. This helps to thicken each strand, giving your hair the fullness and body you crave. Whether your hair is straight or wavy, this product is perfect for adding volume without the heaviness or stickiness that some products leave behind. One of the best things about this leave-in treatment is that it also provides heat protection. If you regularly style your hair with hot tools like flat irons or curling ones, this treatment will shield your hair from the damaging effects of heat while boosting volume. It works by coating your hair with a protective layer, allowing you to style without worrying about potential breakage or dryness. To use, simply shake the bottle and apply 2 to 3 pumps into your hands. Then, smooth it through towel-dried hair, focusing on the ends and any areas that need extra volume. There's no need to rinse it out, just style your hair as usual, and the product activates when you use heat. The results? A thicker, fuller look that lasts throughout the day, giving you that bombshell volume you've always dreamed of. But it's not just about the volume. Many users love how soft and manageable their hair feels after using this product. It leaves your strands smooth and silky, without any of the greasy or heavy residue that often comes with volumizing products. Plus, it's great for color-treated hair, helping to maintain your hair's health while delivering the texture you want. This treatment is specially formulated for fine, limp hair, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to boost their volume without weighing their hair down. And the best part? It won't make your hair feel crunchy or stiff. Instead, you'll get a soft, natural finish that still has plenty of movement. If you've been on the hunt for a product that can transform your fine hair into thick, full locks, the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Carb Infused Leave-In Treatment is definitely worth trying. With its ability to add volume, provide heat protection, and leave your hair feeling soft and smooth, it's no wonder why it's becoming a must-have in so many hair care routines. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair and hello to a voluminous, fuller look, give this product a shot. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, so you never miss a review on the latest and greatest beauty products. See you in the next video.